She probably just peed.
What? You peed? Yeah. Probably because my legs are used to it. Are you having fun, you guys?
Yeah! I done
Are you having fun, Brooklyn?
Jade, I done in here.
You're done in the pool already?
Yeah.
Oh, that doesn't work so good for you, huh?
Jade, can you spin me on this?
Spin? I don't know if that's gonna work so good.
Hey, lay back.
Don't pull on the side of the pool!
Come on.
What do you mean by spin?